Hey, thanks so much for jumping onto this page. Now, if you're in Australia or New Zealand and you're looking to get something started selling on Amazon, then below this video, there's a calendar link. Book yourself in to have a chat with one of our coaches, all right? So one of our strategists to talk maybe about your product, maybe talk about what your direction is and what you actually want to sell on Amazon. Even if you have no ideas, even if you haven't seen any of the live training that we offer, book yourself in if you are serious about getting something started on Amazon. Now, as a bonus, so if you book yourself in and you show up to the appointment, what I'm going to be doing is giving you access to an actual software. I'm going to show you how you can access a software which shows you what these particular products on Amazon are actually making right now. So just come over here, let me just show you this, right? So this is a software right here. So basically I'm looking at products right now, and these are pet containers, as you can sort of see there. Okay, they're actually doing some pretty decent numbers. Very basic, very simple product, all right? Now, for you to actually make a decision based on that, you need to know what the numbers are. And as you can sort of see here, right, the numbers are actually pretty decent, like in terms of revenue. Now, these are estimated numbers based on the data that this software gets, right? But you need to. This is a business that you're offering here. It's a business, and it's something that, if you're serious about actually making or building a proper business, right, you have to know the numbers. You actually have to know what these products are doing on Amazon. So I'm going to show you how you can access that particular software for free, all right? It won't cost you any money. I'm going to show you how you can access that software for free. One of my consultants will give you the link on the course. So book yourself in below if you are serious about getting something started on Amazon. Show up to the appointment and then ask my consultant, and they'll give you the link where you can access this software. And it's very easy. You need to have this software for you to run a successful business on Amazon. All right, have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye for now.